Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make street style bhajia recipe, perfect for snacks and tea time. Let's get straight to the video. I'm just going to start by peeling my potatoes, and then I'm going to discard my peels as shown in the video, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash my potatoes. And then I'm going to remove the black spots that always remain in potatoes, so our potatoes are extra smooth. So the reason why I didn't wash my potatoes before peeling them, it's because I wanted to save water and wash my potatoes just twice. And like you can see, I'm just taking my time to remove the black spots as shown in the video. Then I'm going to go ahead and rewash my potatoes. And like you can see, our potatoes are super clean and smooth. Moving on, I'm now going to lay my board right there, and then I'm going to just chop my potatoes as shown in the video. When cutting your potato rounds, just make sure that your potatoes are at least 1/4 inch, not so thick and not so thin. So if you have medium-sized potatoes like me, you're just going to take your time and cut them. You're going to lay your potato the longer part facing in front, so your potato rounds are a little longer, and I hope you've seen the difference right there. Then moving on, I'm now going to be drying my potatoes. I'm going to lay my clean kitchen towel right there on my countertop as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to just add another kitchen towel on top of it and press on it lightly, and then I'm just going to go ahead and dry my potatoes as shown in the video. And like you can see, that potato is dry. The reason why we are doing this, it's because we don't want to mess our batter that we are just going to start preparing right now. To my silver bowl, I have half a cup of all-purpose wheat flour, or just 8 tablespoons of all-purpose wheat flour. To it, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. For color, you can use food color for that. And then I'm going to add some salt to taste, and then I'm just going to mix well. Moving on, I'm now going to be adding my water. My water at room temperature as shown in the video. I'm just going to be adding my water bit by bit as I mix with my whisk. You can use a fork for this part of the video or a spoon. I'm just going to take my time to add my water bit by bit and make a thick batter. So when making your batter, just make sure you mix thoroughly with your whisk so that your batter is lumpless. You don't want your batter to be lumpy with some flour on it. That will be so messy. And like you can see, my batter is now ready, and that is the consistency. If you want it to be a little more thicker, you can just add some more flour to it, but to me that batter is just perfect. If you like your batter thicker, just add your flour. So moving on, I'm now going to be dividing my batter. I'm going to divide my batter into another bowl, and I'm doing this because I have a kid and I don't want all these bhajiyas to be spicy, so this part of the video is optional. Then moving on to my silver bowl batter, I'm going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper to give it a little heat, and also I'm going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper to taste, and half a tablespoon of coriander. You can use fresh coriander for that. I also added some garlic powder. You can replace that with some onion powder or some fresh chopped onions. Then I'm just going to go in with my whisk and mix my batters as shown in the video. So if you like your bhajiyas extra spicy, you can just add the cayenne and the black pepper, half a tablespoon of each, to make them extra spicy. And then moving on, as you can see, I'm just taking my time to mix my butter as shown in the video, and like you can see, our butter is looking really beautiful and lumpless. Just take your time, you guys, to mix your butter well and make sure it doesn't have flour lumps on it. Then moving on, I'm now just going to be adding my potato rounds to my butter as shown in the video. Then I'm just going to go in with my tongue and mix that well as shown in the video. You can use a spoon for that, and you don't want to get your hand in this butter. It's going to be really messy. Then moving on, I'm now just going to preheat my oil on my pan right there, and like you can see, I'm testing it with my wooden spoon and it's ready now. And then moving on, I'm now just going to be adding my raw bhajjiyas as shown in the video, and like you can see, my color is a little pale. I wish I added a little more turmeric, yeah, but if it were food color, the color would have been really great, but it's just going to do. I'm just going to be adding my raw bhajiyas as shown in the video, and then I'm just going to give them time to fry to golden yellow. I don't know if that's a word, but they have to fry to a little golden. Yeah, I'm just going to turn my bhajiyas as shown in the video several times to make sure that I get a beautiful color. If you just found my channel today, welcome and welcome to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes, yeah, that I know you are going to like. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. I'll appreciate that. Comment down below, it means a lot to me. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. After some time, our bhajiyas are ready, and like you can see, they're looking so beautiful. I'm just going to grab my spoon and remove my bhajiyas from the oil and set them aside. I'm now going to repeat the process with another batch, and then the rest of my bhajiyas I'm going to fry them off camera. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little bit and I'll be right back. Our second batch is ready again. I'm just going to remove them from the oil again and set them aside. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. And like you can see, our bhajiyas are all ready and they're looking so good. I added some cayenne pepper to give my bhajiyas a little more heat, and I also sprinkled some paprika and salt. And don't forget to turn your notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.